All right, what's going on, team? So AMC is approaching that same resistance level right around 30.50 a share, and as of right now, it's looking a little bit more on the overbought side. You can see the RSI indicator, the MACD indicator. The 5-minute time frame seems to be a little bit more clear for people to be able to identify overbought and oversold levels. Again, we can see that same resistance right around 31.40, 31.50. I'm up a little bit over $3,000 on the day, but one of the things that I've noticed, and I don't know if you guys have noticed this as well. First off, overall direction is not in favor big picture for AMC. So when asking the question, when should I day trade something, when should I swing trade something? One of the things that we have to take into consideration is that AMC as of right now has not been a bullish stock big picture. It's been selling off. It doesn't mean that it can't go up. It just means that when it does go up, just like it did last time, it made lower highs and then got rejected and sold right back off and made lower lows, right? Being able to identify the RSI, the MACD when it's descending, the same thing is happening right now, and so is with the RSI. Again, it's not that it can't continue to go up, but especially with such a stock that has been making lower highs and lower lows, this is why I'm hesitant to hold a heavy position size overnight at these overbought levels. It is so important, even for your day trades, to understand overall market direction, because guess what? It can really save you the very unfortunate wake-up call the next morning when you might end up in the red, right, after being super overbought. So look at this, 31.70. I'm going to go ahead and begin to liquidate some shares. Here we go, selling this. So I'm up a little bit over $4,000 on the day now. Hit highs of 31.76. So based off of yesterday's highs, we're surpassing yesterday's highs. But based off of 2 days ago, that resistance level is right around, what is that? That's 33.90, right? And that's a couple days ago. So 33.90, I guess that's something to work towards as of right now. One of the things that we also have to take into consideration is the market is pulling back right now. So TQQQ, which is a NASDAQ index, ETF, a NASDAQ ETF, opened up in the green much more than where it's at right now, and it's been selling off almost the entire market session. Now it's actually indicating signs of reversal. So again, another great question that we always get asked. When does it make sense to add more to your position size? Or when does it make sense to buy into a potential day trade? I'm not here to say that TQQQ is a day trade and or a swing trade. We all have different intentions. But as of right now, TQQ was selling off, so it made no sense, right, to actually get into TQQQ when it's losing value. But it begins to establish its support level, it begins to trade above EMA, and now it's actually indicating some signs of an uptrend, which is why then I can decide to, buy more into TQQQ to make money as it recovers. When there's actual indication of a recovery, that's what makes the difference. And the same setup for Tesla. Tesla's literally almost mimicking the overall pattern of TQQQ. It was selling off, now we're trading above EMA. So then guess what? If it continues to make higher highs, I can step on the gas and then I can lock in profits at overbought levels. That's the beauty behind trading. When the direction's in your favor, understanding overbought, oversold, overbought levels, when to buy, when to sell, that is the beauty behind day trading versus, again, swing trading. So I'm actually going to sell a couple more shares here, but feel free to let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about AMC? Is AMC going to continue to indicate signs of an uptrend? And again, don't just say that, oh, AMC is going to the moon and then share nothing about why it's going supposedly to the moon, right? My biggest thing that I like to focus on are directions and patterns. And as of right now, the direction based off of, the 180-day chart is not looking very good for AMC. It might be bullish on the, it's trading above EMA, but based off of the last time, right? We pushed up, we were trading above EMA, we became overbought. Look at the RSI, look at the MACD, it began to descend, and that's exactly what happened with this. We're making lower highs and lower lows. Now with this setup, we are pushing up, we are indicating signs of an uptrend, but we are looking very overbought, and yes, the MACD is already descending, but momentum is still very present on AMC, which is why I still have an open position. I'm excited to follow up. Just wanted to keep you guys quickly up to date. If you guys have any questions, please comment those down below. And again, I trade live every morning. I just finished literally my live trading session with the Learn Plan Profit Group. I answer questions. I trade live. You see my entries and my exits, my thought process behind the trade. If you've ever wanted to see what it's like to watch someone trade live and how I made a little bit over $4,500 today, take 1 minute. Click the first link down in the description. It will take you to our homepage and you can learn a little bit more about what it's like to work with the all-new Learn Plan Profit 2.0 team. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.